As I mentioned in section 1, promoting your value adds, such as return policies and free shipping thresholds inside of your messages, should be considered a must-do. But there are other items to include in your messages that can work extremely well in recovering lost sales. These include using social proof and communicating a sense of urgency. Let's quickly look at each of these. Social proof. Make the customer feel absolutely sure about their purchase by including user-generated content, such as product star ratings and customer testimonials. If they have hesitations due to customer service or product quality, this can help overcome them. A sense of urgency. Remind customers that products may not last long. After all, people love your products. Verbiage like, get them before they're gone, or it's not too late, can have a big impact on conversion rate. In your messages, combine these tactics with standard auto-populated content provided by your email marketing provider. These commonly include things like product name, image, and price. Do this, and you'll have yourself a near-perfect abandoned cart message. One word of note, these messages don't have to be long or complex. In fact, I recommend they not be. Keep them short and simple. Something like, these customer favorites won't last much longer. Grab them before it's too late. Of course, there are other elements to consider when it comes to creating your messages. Let's go through those now.